Indian smartphone market is going through an interesting phase. Every week, a new smartphone manufacturer marks the debut in India, and yet again, the Indian consumers are going to see a new foreign smartphone player coming up with their products, and this time from Vietnam. Vietnamese smartphone brand Mobiistar is all set to enter into Indian market with their budget smartphone Mobiistar XQ Dual in India. The smartphone is touted as a selfie star and features a dual front camera setup with a selfie flash. We got an early hands-on the retail unit of the Mobiistar XQ Dual smartphone, and let's unbox it and see what's all inside the box. Inside the box at the top we have the handset itself, the Mobiistar XQ Dual in gold color variant. Then we have some documentation and a transparent silicone case included in the box. To charge the device, we have a wall adapter rated 5 volts and 1.5 ampere output, and a micro USB cable to charge the device. Let's have a look at the device now. The device has a metallic back finish with rounded edges, which makes the device comfortable to hold. On the left hand side of the device, we have the volume rocker buttons. At the top we have a 3.5 mm jack and a microphone. On the right we have a power button and a SIM tray, which is a hybrid SIM slot. At the bottom we have dual speaker grills, but only one of them contains the speaker, and in between the grills there is a micro USB charging port. Talking about the specifications of the device, the Mobiistar XQ Dual features a 5.5-inch Full HD IPS display with 2.5D curved glass. It is powered by an Qualcomm Snapdragon 430 octa-core processor with 32GB of internal storage and 3GB of RAM. On the back of the device we have a fingerprint sensor, and the device is powered by a 3000 mAh battery. The main highlight of the device is its dual camera setup at the front. At the front we have a 13 megapixel camera accompanied by an 8 megapixel wide angle camera. At the back we have a 13 megapixel rear camera. The Mobiistar XQ Dual runs on custom skin, which is built over Android 7.1.2 Nougat with February 2018 security patch. The device is expected to launch next week, and the pricing and availability of Mobiistar XQ Dual is not yet announced as per the making of this video, but the pricing is expected to be somewhere lesser than 9,000 Indian rupees. Do check out our blog installanow.com for latest updates. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more such videos.